Hi there everyone, back with another video, and in this video we will be learning all about a set concept in JavaScript. And if you have noticed, in my previous video we have learned all about map, which contains key value pairs, right? So this is all about a map, which again we have discussed everything about map. So in case you have missed that, please make sure that you watch my previous video where I have explained all about maps over there. So now coming to set. Yeah, set. So yeah guys, what about set? What do you mean by set? So set is a collection of elements or values. That's it. So set is a collection of values, and again remember, it just accepts only a value. There is nothing kind of key value pairs for this set. So this is the purpose of set. So it just contains values of set of values. That's it. So now, how to declare a set in JavaScript? Well, we need to declare a variable, or it will be converted to a set if we have something like a new and then a set constructor. That's it. So now we have got a set using the set constructor and the new operator, and this is obviously the variable name, which is set. So if I just have a console it to the log, you will be noticing that we have got now an empty set, right? So this is how we will be creating a set. So now how to add elements to that set? So it's simple. We need to have set.add, and then we need to pass a value, like it can be a string, it can be a number, it can be a boolean, it can be anything, right? So I will just passing some hi over here, and then let me have it to the console, and let me check what is the state of our set now. So as you can see here, we have got one element added to our set. So now if I want to add another element, we need to do the same thing with the different data types, like boolean, string, or anything, number, anything else, right? So we have got three elements added to our set, right? Yeah, another thing here is, if I have let me say I will adding another element, and the element is again a string called hi. So now guys, what will be the output of this set? What is the state of this set? It will be a 4 elements, or it will be a 3 elements? Guys, notice here it will be 3 elements. The reason is because set contains only unique values. That's it. So no matter how duplicate values you add to the set, it won't be added. And again, there is no error here, right? So please be careful while developing your code. Make Because it won't be visible, right? So there is no errors, and debugging is very difficult, right? So please make sure that you add a unique element or a value to your set, right? So now the shortcut here is, instead of having the three statements over here like set.add, set.add, and set.add, you can do something like set.add.add, and then same thing with this here as well, right? Set.add.add does the same thing for you, right? So now we got the same thing, right? So you can make sure that you use this shortcut. So now we have created our set, and we have added some elements to that set. How to delete some elements? How to delete it, guys? How to delete, let me say, how to delete hi element, a string hi from the set? It's again simple. You need to do is set.delete. So you need to pass that element like hi. That's it. So now the string hi will be deleted from our set. So if I just console it to the log, and as you can notice here, hi will be deleted, and we will be remaining with the by and true, right? So this is how you will be deleting an element. So now if I want to check whether some element or value present or not in the set, how to check whether there is an element called hi or element called by, whatever the value may be. So how to check element? So now let me say in the console, let me say if I need to check, let me say by this by string is present or not in the set, what I need to do is, all I got to do is set.has, and then you need to pass that element like by. So now in the console it will be returning us true. The reason is because we have an element called by. So now if I just change it to some letters, it should return as false, right? So it's a case sensitive, the value changes, right? So this by is obviously different from this uppercase with b uppercase, right? So now this high not high it has returns true or false depending upon the value, which will be checking with the set, right? So now we have done with has, delete and add and creating a set, right? So now how to get the size of the set? So it's again simple in the simple. So in the console log, all I need to do is set dot size. Again, there is again guys, size is not a method, it's a property, right? So we got two, right? So we are having two elements in our set, so it's returning just the size, and again it's a number. So again, if I do something like type of, you will get to know that it's a number, it's not a string, right? So we'll be getting a size of our set, right? So now after doing all this, how to clear everything, how to wipe out everything from that set? So I don't need anything from the set. Again, I need to go back to this initial stage, which means the empty set. So how do you empty your set? Again, it's very simple. It's a set that clear. So you will be clearing everything. So now after clearing, let me check what is the state of that set. Whoa, ho, ho, look at that. We have all cleared with those values, and our set is empty now, right? Yes guys, this is all about set that you need to learn in JavaScript. So we have how many? Add, and then delete, and has, size and clear. So I think it's six of them, right? So this is all about a set in JavaScript. So this is how you add elements and delete elements, and check whether you have element in your set or not. So you'll be having using has, and then to get the size, just use size and then clear for wiping out everything, right? So yes guys, this is all about set, and I hope that this video made your day. Please work around with some examples and practice them a lot to have a grip, a firm grip on your programming skills with this set, right? So please make sure that you practice a lot and you will be a good developer. Just again guys, just don't see this video or watch this video and go off and say I don't know, I know everything and I don't know everything, right? Just don't do that. So please make sure that you learn something from this video and practice them, right? So yes guys, I think I'm signing off now. Please make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell button, and please like this video if you are helped, and let me see you in the next video, and till then, take care, bye bye.